Science, science, science.
Hi everyone, Scientist Luca Fun here, and today we're doing a project called Magic Balloon.
Big balloon, bigger than the sun and moon.
I don't know what's gonna happen. My hypothesis, I think it's gonna blow up with air. My materials: vinegar, baking soda,
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
a cylinder, a balloon,
Big balloon.
a test tube, and a funnel. First, 15 milliliters of vinegar in my test tube. Done. Now I'm gonna put the funnel into the balloon. There we go. Pour 1 scoop of baking soda
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
into the funnel. Next, you put the balloon on the test tube like this. Finally, we lift the balloon up so the baking powder goes into the test tube. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Move your hand, Luca.
Big balloon, bigger than the sun and moon.
Should we poke it? Is it gonna pop? Like and subscribe if you like these videos for more science videos.